Well, well, if it ain't the fancy new comm system strolling on in, changing how we do things around here.
Buddy, there's a new sheriff in town.
What are you talking about? I built this whole system myself, back when Excel ran everything. Heck, some of our salespeople even hit quota last year.
Friend, your system is built for another time. You're slow, clunky, full of mistakes, and leave revenue on the table. Besides, reps are complaining they're not being paid right. Territories, quotas, comp, they're all working in silo. And you are stalling growth. It's time to send you out to pasture.
Dang it, son! That was a lucky shot!
That ain't luck. It's by design.
All right, everyone. Texas Hold'em. Cards are out. It's time for your final bets.
Sales planning? I'm old school. You don't need systems. You just need to feel the right moves.
I see your gut decisions. And I raise you callbacks, spiffs, and bad forecasts that nobody trusts. Plus a big pile of revenue left on the table.
Well, folks, if you're talking sales planning, sometimes you need a new approach. One based in data and connecting the org and getting territories and quotas set up right from the beginning. Friends, welcome to the future. I'm all in.
Call.
I call.
Royal Flush.
But my system has been working perfectly for years.
Those cards? How'd you get so lucky?
That ain't luck. It's by design.